Are you getting the security notice message on CapCut after updating the latest version on your iPhone? This can appear due to app permission issues, outdated system settings, or minor bugs in the update. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the CapCut security notice quickly. So let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Offload the CapCut app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 2. Check App Update. Open up the App Store. Tap on the search icon from below. Type CapCut. Now find the CapCut and tap on it. See if you can find any updates available there. Then update the app. Now try to open the CapCut app again and see whether it works or not. If you're still facing the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Go to home screen, tap and hold the CapCut icon. Now tap Remove App. Then tap Delete. Again tap Delete to confirm deletion. Now go to the App Store and install this app again. And there you have it. This is how you can fix this CapCut security issue on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.